2023.
Kadkot ka Congress Legislature Party CLP belasaweng ikong Ampareen Lyngdoh ilaang ba kitong Sainhima kejela kimdai ben Pynlong mat Sainhima ke Jingjjia Mukroh. Haba jubam ik Jingjjia kawang keti ikong Ampareen ilaang badang yai ap ia ke kai phot halor ke ni ke Jingjjia bad insapit nya ia ke ni ke mat hadin baladap ban pentip ba ia ke jingto akit. Katkum ikong Ampareen ke jing bakla jo kanu ke benta ke sensyar khadar ke dei ban long lang ban ya sam lang da baro ki sing sen perthei ke bedon keti ha ke ban sensyar ya ke jela.
Politicians of the state of Meghalaya should not indulge in politicizing unfortunate events that have occurred in the state of Meghalaya. It is incorrect. As leaders of the state, we must be responsible. We have to wait for the formal report that has already been called for. Any issue that arises in the state of Meghalaya because of a failure of any part of governance should be together and jointly shared by all political parties involved in the governance in the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekhia ke jela